Wentworth prides itself on students learning by doing. We've learned from industry experts that this is what they seek from top flight recruits.
I think project-based learning is one of the best methods of learning because it gives you an opportunity to learn outside of just lectures and outside of just notes. It gives you an opportunity to get together with people and talk about projects and learn more through application rather than through memorization.
Wentworth is an incubator for success. Our graduates grow during their time with us, and what makes it all the more rewarding and exciting is as graduates, they're going into careers that are growing like very few industries out there. A recent study points out that Wentworth graduates are going to industries that are growing by over 60% over the national average. Opportunities abound, and Wentworth helps get you there. By doing project-based learning, you not only learn better, but when you go for that interview someday, it's that conversation piece that launches the career that you aspire for.